Hi everyone! In this short video, I'll show you how to review bank statements in V2 in Tofu. I'll walk you through the setup, the new validation checks, and everything you can do in the review, from upload to verify. Let's jump in. First, let's set things up. Head into Entity Settings, go to Features, then Extraction Types, click on Bank Statement tab. Here, you can choose up to 3 priority fields for the AI to focus extraction on. For this example, let me use transaction date, description, and amount. And you can also collapse this. Select this section under Entry Mode, choose a single or double entry depending on your bookkeeping workflow. Next, the extraction settings. Multiple accounts lets Tofu extract several bank accounts and currencies from a single statement, while child transactions extracts deductions withheld from a parent transaction, like withholding tax as child rows. And finally, validation. These are the checks Tofu runs on every statement: opening and closing balance, credit and debit totals, subtotal, and per-line balance. A quick tip here, only enable the checks that actually appear on your bank statements. For this example, I will keep them enabled. Now let's upload a statement. Go to Source Documents, click Upload Document, select your extraction type, bank statement, and upload your file. Let's open the extraction. At the top, you'll see 3 tabs: Bank Statement, Bank Accounts, and Activities. When your statement has more than one account, each one gets its own collapsible section, so you can review one at a time. Notice we didn't have to split anything earlier. Tofu detected each account and currency and created a section for each one. This is because we enabled multiple accounts from the entity settings. Click the bank name to match it to a bank account set up in Tofu. Then confirm the account number and currency from the dropdowns. Then check the statement period. All your transaction dates from this transaction table should fall within this statement dates. Now the best part: validation. The summary section compares 2 columns: extracted, which are the values printed on the statement, and calculated, which is what Tofu computes from the transactions. When they match, you get a green check. If something doesn't match, you'll see an error pointing you to the exact figure to review, like this one. Now, putting it back to the correct figure once every check count shows as balanced. Now, let's look at the transactions. You can also collapse Summary section to have a better view of your transactions table and expand your screen. Each line shows the date, description, amounts, and reference, plus Tofu suggestions for the account tax rate and tracking categories. A few tools to work faster. Select multiple lines to bulk edit their categorization in one go. Click the 3 dots on any row for more options, like moving it to another account, or adding a child transaction. And use the toggle columns to show only the columns you need. And see these indented rows? Those are child transactions. You can teach Tofu to automatically create a child transaction. For example, once you save this prompt, Tofu will automatically create those child transactions for you. One more thing, if your entity uses double entry mode, you'll see Contra Defaults section after the summary. Set the default account, tax rate, and tracking categories here, and they apply as a contra side of the account's transactions. Once everything looks good, click Save and then Verify. From there, you can send your statement to your accounting software, like publishing to Xero with bank feeds or exporting a CSV. For multi-account statements, each account exports as its own file. And that's how easy it is to review bank statements V2. Thanks for watching.